What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Sam's Wrecking Yard. Just doing a quick one here. We got the 94 K3500 1-ton back from our brother.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Sam's Wrecking Yard.
So now today we're going to be putting on the bush bumper that used to be on my Suburban, my 99 Suburban. Spin you guys around real quick and I'll show you that. So brother Steven actually built this custom for his own Suburban, and then it lived on my Suburban for a bit, and now it goes on what I seem to be deeming brotherly love, the 94 1-ton. We'll be right back. And after just 1 or 2 minutes of struggle, there she is, folks. Nice. Quickest, dirtiest way to explain it is there. So you have three, 21 millimeter from stock. These are 18 millimeter if anybody's asking, which we had to do because we had one that this nut broke off on. So we had to remove that side up and down, pull that out, put a 15/16 socket on this, and then Bob's your uncle. And that concludes today's very short video. But there we go. In all her glory. Thank you very much. We'll see you on the next episode. Cheers.